Today we are going to deploy a static website on AWS.com. So first thing we need to have is we need to have an AWS account. You can go to aws.amazon.com and create an account. I've already have an account, so I'll just log into that. So first thing we do need to do is we need to have a static website with us. So I already have this static website with me. It contains index.html, then media folder. It contains CSS, image, and JS files. So I'll just show you how it looks. So I'm just opening it on Google Chrome. So here you can see that this is the website. So we need to deploy this website. Yeah, so what we'll do, we'll go to S3. So in Amazon we have S3 buckets. So like if you want to deploy a static website, we can use S3 way. Other ways you can create an EC2 instance, and in that you can do both static website and as well as server-side code in that. Only for static website we can use S3. That is much easier to use. So let's go to S3. So you can see that I already have one more website, but it's not working now. So let's create a bucket for uh, this website that we are going to deploy. We will name the bucket as nilgirisorganic.com. So let's keep the, and we need to give the name of domain itself. Like if we have a domain name nilgirisorganic.com, let's keep the name of bucket as nilgirisorganic.com only. And if we have like another domain like www.nilgirisorganica.com or org.nilgirisorganica, something like that. So in that case also we need to give the domain in that way. So I have two buckets, one with nilgirisorganic.com and other with www.nilgirisorganic.com. Nilgirisorganic.com AWS region I'll select as Asia Pacific. Then I don't want any restrictions, so I'll just remove this and then click on acknowledge. Then complete one create bucket. So this is the bucket we have created. Let's click here. So here we have option to upload. So let's upload our files. So normal files we can upload using add files. If we have folders, then we can upload using add folders. Now so let's go to our website. So index.html is a file. So we'll put it in add files. Then we have media folder. Let's click upload now. Only do this if we touch this site. So let's click on upload. I'm just clicking on upload now. So it will take some time depending on how much is the file size. So we need to create two buckets in such a way. First bucket name is nilgirisorganic.com. Another one will be www.nilgirisorganic.com. It's uploaded now. So next thing what we need to do is we need to change the properties. Let's go to properties tab. In that just scroll down, go to the bottom of the page. Here you will see an option named static website hosting. Click on edit, click on enable or host a static website. So our application contains only index.html, it doesn't contain error.html. So let's give the name as index.html in both. Click on save changes. Okay, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So this is a testing URL provided by Amazon. So like once we deploy an application, we can just test it using this URL. So it is giving me error as code access denied. So I guess we need to change the bucket policy as well. So let's go to permissions. In permissions, scroll down, we have option name bucket policy. So I have the bucket policy written with me. I'll just copy this. I'll paste it in the video itself so you can just copy directly, and you just have to change this domain name. Copying this from here. So our website name is nilgirisorganic.com. Then click on save changes. Save now. Okay, so now we'll try to run this. Yeah, so here you can see that now it's working properly, and the bucket we have created is nilgirisorganic.com. One more bucket we need to create, that is www.nilgirisorganic.com, and then we have to host this website on AWS. So since I've already have this website running live, so I'll just show you the configuration which is present. So let me go first to S3. S3 first. So here you can see that we need to create two buckets. First one we've already created, second one is in this way. Both contains the same code. Then we need to go to route 53. So here you can see that I've already created two hosted zones, but in your case you need to create them. So here also you can see that for both domains we need to create two different records. So let's go to nilgirisorganica.com. So if you are taking the domain from AWS, in that case you don't have to do much configuration, and you will get these two things by default. The only thing you need to add is this and this one. So since my website is already live, so I'll just show you, I'll edit the record and show you what configuration you need to do. So let's go to this and go to edit records. So first thing you need to do is you need to click on this option where it's written route traffic to IPv4 address and some AWS resource. And inside that you need to click on this alias to S3 website endpoint, because we are using S3. And this you can choose like whatever initially you have chosen, which server you have chosen, that you can just write. And this part will come from testing URL. So this testing URL you can just put this part of testing URL, so that I've written here, and then click on save. Similarly we need to do it for the other one. So here you can see that these two will come by default. We just need to add this. This also contains the similar configuration, alias to S3 point and this URL. So let's check our site. So you can see that our site is live. So this configuration we need to do to upload a static website. Yeah, so this way we can do that. If you are using GoDaddy as your GoDaddy, if you are taking a domain from GoDaddy, in that case you need to do some other way that I will discuss in next video. So for this video, I guess this is the content we are having. Thank you. Bye bye, and please subscribe to Web Talks. Thank you.